In this video I will show you how does I make this kind of video who is actually upload in this page. As you can see here, at a time I am speaking in front of camera, and at the same time my phone screen is working. How does I make this kind of video? It's a video actually one of my follower asked me to making, that's why I am making this kind of video. So if you interested to know how does I make this video, then you can watch this video. So for making this kind of video, actually you can see here I have started my screen recording. You can see here at a time my screen recording is going on, and my front of me have here a laptop. Through the laptop the video, my face video is going on. You can see here there have two video which I do earlier. This is my the video who is from the phone screen recorder, and this is the video from the laptop who is actually I recorded at the same time. And here have, you can see here there have microphone, it's connected to my laptop. Through the microphone my voice is recording at the same time, but in my phone the voice also recording, but I will mute the voice from my phone. I will show the process. You can see here there have one of my app. Through the app I actually make connect those video, that's called InShot. You can see here the application InShot. After come here InShot, I have collect my my videos, cameras videos from laptop, and then I come here on the InShot, and then you can see here video. Simply I have click here video and then new, and then I have to click here firstly on my face cam video. You can see here there have face cam video. After clicking here face cam video, I simply you can see here option called knobs. You have to simply click here, and then you can see here here option called YouTube, like 16:9 ratio, and then you can see here this kind of, and from here you can minimize or maximize. Then I have move slightly to the left hand side, and you can see here peep option. You have to simply click here peep option, and then you can see here your the video which you earlier record on through your phone screen. You have to simply click here. After that you have to simply adjust it to your video, and you have to actually have to see that the videos and the screen recorder voice is same or not. You can see here in this video I will show you how you can see here the two voices are same time going on. Then you have to simply click here the screen recorder and then volume, and then you have to mute the voice, and then the video will be added. You can see here the video will be added. From here in the last section I will cut, and in the last section I will cut the extra part, and the video have been ready to, you can see here, export. So then you can see export option, and then you have to simply click here export, and that's how you can make a video as I actually make video on my Facebook and YouTube page. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comments. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.